Everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for fast speed and unlimited internet access, you're definitely in the right place. In today's amazing tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to download a WireGuard config file and set it up with the WireGuard VPN app for a smooth, secure, and high-speed internet experience. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a powerful internet hack like this one. Let's get started. Open your browser and in the search bar, type SSH Ocean. From the search results, click the official SSH Ocean website link to open the homepage. Once you're there, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. This will open a pop-up menu. Scroll down and click on WireGuard. Now you'll see a list of server locations. Choose your desired location and click on it. A new page will show different servers under that location. Make sure to select a server that's online and active. Click on the one you prefer. You'll now arrive at the account creation page. Enter your desired username, complete the reCAPTCHA, and click the Create Now button. Wait a few seconds, and your WireGuard config file will be created successfully. Download the file and save it on your device for later use. Now open your device's Google Play Store and search for WireGuard VPN. Click the Install button to download the app. Once installed, open the app to get started. On the app's home screen, tap the plus icon at the bottom. A small window will appear. Tap Import from File. This will open your device's download folder. Select the WireGuard config file you downloaded earlier. The file will be imported successfully. Now just tap the radio switch to activate the VPN. And that's it! You're now connected to a secure and high-speed WireGuard VPN connection. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.